Holy shit, Richie Rich. Surprised to see you out of your house, Van Gogh.
Really, guys? Come on. We're not in high school anymore.
No shit. Because see, if we were still in high school, my old man would still have a job and we'd still have a house. But your rich daddy bought the quarry over in Pondus and shut it down so he could build more warehouses for his fancy foreign rugs. Didn't you hear what I told you, or is your little tortellini here not working? I said, well, you get to play with your toys in your mansion. My family gets to live in a double wide down by Carson Creek. Now, how's that fair, huh?
It's not. Just like it's not fair that you're ugly. Sometimes we gotta play the hand we're dealt.
And who the hell are you?
I'm Richard's friend. So if you're smart, you'll get out of here before I hurt you.
Get yourself a little babysitter now?
So you're stupid and ugly. Next time you see Richard, walk the other way.